What's going on there, YouTube? We're going to do a quick little install video here. These are going to be the turn signal block off plates. These are the Savage ones that we did the unboxing with. So realistically, you can take everything apart with the toolkit here that that the bike comes with, which is really nice. We're just going to get these rubber bumper stoppers, I guess you could say, put on here. Help kind of protect the paint. Looks like they only go on one way here. So let's get this all done. We'll get these on the bike. I've already taken most of the stuff off, so you're just going to see me basically unplug and plug in. But you can basically get the idea of how it works. Again, if you don't know how to take the bike apart, I recommend having a professional do this. Getting these all stuck to themselves here, but it's all good. So you just want to make sure it's on there nice and straight, and stick it down on this side, and I don't have any overlap, overhang. Should on there nice. That one's good, and then let's get the other one done here. I'm going to try to be smarter with this one and put this on like this first, and then take off the adhesive layer. You just kind of rip it at that point. That was a little bit, I guess that was a little bit easier. So then you're going to line this up, get it stuck down. Sure you get it lined up before you stick it down. It's the hardest part probably of the whole install. Looks nice and lined up. Looks good and good. Okay, so now we're going to take these over to the bike. And first things first, we're gonna disassemble, take off the old mirrors. So these have a little connector on here, right here. So you wanna pull that tab down and pull this out. So there's a little tab there, pull that down, pull that out. Same thing on the other side. Pull it out. And then we're going to gently take these mirrors and the mirror assembly out. Just put this back over here on the bench, and we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Sorry if it's tough to see. We're going to take this out, feed this through nice and gently, and then pull that out. We're going to give it a little wipe first. So let's just get a rag, a little bit of glass clean. Wipe that first. Sorry about this, folks. It's your boy Motorcycle G. Let's clean that up underneath. So even with 400 miles, get a little dirty. That's good. Because who knows when the next time these will be cleaned. Now with black paint, you don't want to swirl it, so just go straight back and forth, up and down like that. That looks nice. Put this away. And let's go ahead and get these installed. So we are going to be using the stock hardware, and I just have to see which way these actually go. So it looks like have them down like this, or you could have them like circled, I guess, like that. So I'm probably guessing it goes this way because this is the way that the wires are. So yeah, so it's going to go down like this here. So let's do one side, then the other side. I am going to be reusing the stock bolts that the mirrors came on. So we're just going to lift this up a little bit, slide it in. kind of pull it in there so it's good. Line up your bolt holes, and that'll be good. I'm going to tidy this up a little bit here in a second, but we're going to take these and snap these in. Once these are snapped in, then we should be able to test, and we'll just do a quick test, and then I'll finish everything up off camera. Just want to make sure everything works here. Careful, these little rubber pieces. You don't want them to get stuck. A little fiddly, but make sure those are seated, plugged in. Same thing here on this side. Push this through, just like that. Bolt through, line it up, like that there, and we're going to plug it in. A little finicky, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. And make sure those snap in. Once those snap in, let's turn on, try it. Basically just going to turn hazards on, and those look nice and looks like they're on. Everything looks good there. Let's try left turn signal, excuse me, and right turn signal. Those look nice and bright. You see them from the front, all angles. Those look like those are going to be fine. They are a little bit big, but not bad. I think they got a good look to them. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll finish buttoning this up, and we'll probably do the bar end mirrors and the tail tidy next. So stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe here. 2024 BMW S1000RR. It's your boy Motorcycle G. We'll see you soon.